Welcome to Turkey. I'm about to paraglide and I'm so nervous right now.
We believe adventures are for conquering comfort zones, and paragliding in Turkey is one of the most adrenaline-packed activities that's bound to break you out of yours. Strap in and take flight over Aludeniz Beach for unforgettable views of the turquoise coast and an epic experience that will help you face your fears and leave you speechless. Or maybe not. On our MedSailors Turkey route, history is literally a stone throw away. Keep your eyes peeled to spot the Lycian tombs carved into faces of cliffs over 3,000 years old.
Almost 80% of the island is covered in ruins, and it's absolutely fascinating.
Wander the sprawling complex of ancient tombs on Gamiller Adasi, an island covered in 4th century ruins. See the ghost town of Kayakoi revealed on a sunrise hike, or paddleboard through the remnants of Cleopatra's bathhouse for an experience like no other. One of Europe's deepest gorges and an adventurous excursion packed with awe, Saklikant Gorge is a must for outdoor lovers. Trek through this stunning 300-meter deep chasm and don't be afraid to get a little dirty as you wander through this unbelievable natural wonder. Then cap off the hike and cool down while tubing along a natural mountain-fed river. It is without a doubt one of the most gorgeous spots on MedSailors Turkey, all puns intended. Two of the most vibrant towns in the Turkish Riviera, Fethiye and Kalkan each have a unique and exciting character to experience. Explore the lively seaside town of Kalkan and get lost in the art-lined alleyways to discover hidden cafes and cocktail bars. Hit Fethiye's funky streets of umbrellas and emojis, exploring the spice markets and flavors of Turkey. And for the early risers, hike up to the fortress for a sunrise you will never forget. Of course, we can't forget about our favorite aspect of MedSailors Turkey, the pancake boats. Try a traditional savory or sweet Turkish gazeme made right at your boat by a lovely local for the most unique experience you can ever taste in Turkey.